projects are they offering here? And then
today we are here at a technical school, one of them in the province, and tomorrow we'll go to one of the agricultural schools. So we are going to visit two districts. This is Pinetown district. Then tomorrow we go to another district to visit the agricultural school. And thanks for visiting us.
The DBE, our minister, and the Minister of Education in France signed an MOU. This was way back in 2019. No, it was renewed in 2019, sorry. Yeah, so we have been in this cooperation for 5 years, and we have another 5 years. So in total, we are looking at a cooperation between ourselves and France, only on basic education, looking at a 10-year strong partnership. So as part of this MOU, we had requested to have a specialist to be based in the department. And this is because we learned from other cooperation that we have with other countries that having a specialist in the department helps. So hence we have Mari as the technical specialist who is with us. And the value that we have with her presence is that because she is within the department, she is able to reach Mr. Posa, she's able to reach Mr. Naidu, she's able to reach all the technical specialists that are within the department to understand what we are doing as a national department, to understand what the provinces are doing within her reach. And so she was able to motivate to us that, look, there is a La Réunion Island. They are part of us, and they would like to have cooperation with you. And so we took advantage of, you know, having that her presence in the department to strengthen this other kind of relationships. The province where we are in is one of the provinces that has a strong technical background. And so we are excited to at least showcase what we have in this province. We were hoping to see another province, but we understood that your program is quite tight. So we couldn't show you a different province, but I know that what you will be able to see here is going to give you a good picture of what is going on in the country in terms of technical education.
So our colleagues from La Réunion are visiting South Africa as part of an Interreg program. So Interreg program is a European program and European fundings that support partnerships and joint projects between neighboring regions to address common challenges and to find and to support partnerships. So they are, this week they will focus on TVET, so technical and vocational education. So they are here to explore the South African system, educational system in TVET, mainly for civil engineering, for hospitality management, tourism, and also for agriculture.
So
maybe
our school consists of, if we're looking at the different technical disciplines, we have power systems, the electrical technology, power systems, we have digital electronics, and then we have the mechanical field, which is welding and metalworking, fitting and machining, and what's that one? Automotive, right? Then we also have civil technology, which is, we actually, at this point in time, just doing the woodworking part. There's other two disciplines here which we haven't tapped yet, okay? We have engineering, graphics and design, which is the drawing part of it. Any engineering student must start on the drawing board, then later on to CAD. That forms the basis of engineering. You're going to have to draw. You must start on the drawing board. Any planning must be done on the drawing board. And then we have our English and Afrikaans, or isiZulu, and mathematics. And then we also have technical mathematics, So those learners who are not going to follow the engineering part to university and who's going to follow the hands-on part will do the technical mathematics. So technical mathematics was not accepted by universities. So it took me something like 4 years to fight with the DUT and UKZN, and they now accept technical mathematics as part of, you can do a degree with it. Right? So they had to do their research and stuff like that. So our school, the companies will train them. Well, we'll start with the basics here. Most of the same basics. What we are technically is what they do. This at the university level. We have a maths. You see. So we strive in creating hands-on approach. Okay? We strive engineers and we strive to make them safe and something that puts us.
And then we also were involved in a competition that was run by the Toyota Academy, that's in Gauteng, where we have 14 to 15 different technical schools from around the country, where learners, and they promote a lot of female learners to take part in skills, because we have this perception, this legacy belief that skills belong to male. And we did away with that. We've changed the mindset in saying that we believe the women are also empowered and they have an eye for detail and they are always on time and they're very professional in their approach. So,
but I don't know why he's afraid to tell you that their success rate, their matric pass, that's where it should have started. It's 100%. So you can see what is going on. Learners are passing. Learners are doing their practical assessment tasks. So they have a hands-on training. And then in mechanical, automotive, fitting and machining, 100%. That's why you should have started. But however, because we are going to form this partnership, we are still laying the playing ground to see what is going to happen. Then, and I forgot to tell you that how many learners are offering in terms of the participation rate. Because in South Africa, we've got a problem of participation rate. Yes. That's why we have a shortage of engineers, technicians, and they are on the list of scarce skills.
What are we faced with in this community? And I can believe the deputy principal when he says that learners have gone on to work at Mercedes-Benz, Toyota. This school is a feeder school for those professions. And the downside is that from our discussions at the national level, the number of learners taking the technology subjects is declining. And, you know, because I'm from the MST Directorate, I'm in charge of agriculture and life sciences. We are there to make sure to lead learners on the correct path. And I think this school provides that beacon.